saying D and G correctly. Say D as D before all words that begins with the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Example: the action, the exhibit, the interview, the ocean, the undercover. You see that? These are all vowels. And we use the D sound for vowels. Now, say the before all words that begins with the consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Our example: the boat. B is a what? Vowel or consonant? Consonant. The flower. The queen. The house. The roof. You see that? There's a big difference. For the vowels, it is the. And for the consonants, it is the. Okay? Next, our consonant G has a G sound when it is followed by the vowels A, O, and U. Our example here: garlic, golf, gull. And G has a J sound when it is followed by vowels E and I, and with consonant Y only. Okay? Look at our example: jam, giraffe, and gym. For now, this is our lesson. I just want you to be aware when saying the and the. Because when we are writing sentences, we are not aware of it, isn't it? But if we can say them correctly, the sound is good, isn't it? Okay, that's all for today. Bye.